Welcome to the Go Big with Gib podcast, where we talk to professionals, business owners, and entrepreneurs about their big wins. Welcome to Go Big with Gib, the podcast for professionals, entrepreneurs, and investors who play to win. I'm your host, Gib Irons, attorney, real estate investor, and founder of Irons Equity. Today, we're unpacking something massive. I mean $3.3 trillion massive. President Trump's one big, beautiful bill. Now signed into law, it's one of the most expensive and consequential tax and spending packages in U.S. history. And if you're an investor, operator, or entrepreneur, you need to know exactly what's inside and how to position yourself. Number one, permanent tax cuts extended. This bill locks in key elements of the 2017 Tax Cuts and Jobs Act, a more generous tax credit, SALT cap relief, and a brand new deduction for overtime and tips. That means more post-tax cash in the hands of middle-class Americans and small business owners. More liquidity, more reinvestment, more opportunity. Number two, major incentives for businesses and farmers. This part of the bill is big. Expanded bonus depreciation, rural investment incentives, and new agricultural tax credits. If you're operating in secondary or tertiary markets, especially in ag or build to rent, this is a game changer. These are the types of tailwinds that reposition entire markets. Number three, a shift in federal spending priorities. We're seeing more funds go to border security and defense, and less to Medicaid and food assistance. This isn't just a political choice, it's a signal that federal dollars are moving toward enforcement, infrastructure, and industrial policy. Those moves reshape demand in overlooked markets. If you're tuned in and you see opportunity where others see chaos. Number four, $3.3 trillion in added deficit spending. Yes, this bill isn't paid for. So what does that mean? You need to watch inflation, interest rate movements, and capital flow adjustments. When deficits rise, the Fed reacts. Markets tighten, cost of capital goes up, and smart money moves early. Here's why all of this matters to you. You'll have more post-tax cash to invest. Ag and rural real estate may surge. Policy shifts will change which markets outperform, and inflation and rates will shape how capital flows and deals get done. This bill isn't just historic, it's strategic, but only if you're positioned to benefit. So the real question is, what are you doing about it? Are you just watching the headlines, or are you positioning yourself for what's next? Because when the tax code shifts, everything changes. That's why I created my weekly investor newsletter. Every week, I break down the latest tax policies, real estate strategies, and Fed signals, and I show you how to apply them. So if you're ready to build tax-smart, income-generating wealth in any market, click on the link in the description below and sign up for my newsletter. Or go to investwithgib.com to book a call with me. That's investwithgib.com, your shortcut to clarity, strategy, and real-time insight. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, I'm Gib Irons, and this is Go Big with Gib. Thank you for listening to this episode of Go Big with Gib. If you haven't already, go follow us on social media at Gib Irons. We'll see you next time.